Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're using Gemini, you are using a powerful AI, which means understanding your security and privacy settings is non-negotiable. I'm going to walk you through the absolute best settings I use to keep my data safe and my experience private. No fluff, just the essentials. Essential Setting 1, Gemini Apps Activity, the big one. Visual, screen recording showing the user navigating to the Gemini Apps Activity page via the profile icon activity or My Activity Gemini Apps Activity. Voiceover / presenting the most critical setting is Gemini Apps Activity. This is where Google saves your conversations to help improve the models. Check your retention. When you first go here, look at the auto-delete setting. Mine is set to 3 months. The default is often 18 months, which is too long for my comfort. I highly recommend changing this to 3 months or even 36 months if you want to keep history but have it automatically purge. Turn it off for maximum privacy. If you want zero conversation history saved, you can turn the entire activity setting off. My experience, I keep mine on but set to 3 months. I like having some history for context, but I clear out sensitive chats manually. If I'm doing something truly private, I flip it off for that session. Manual deletion. Don't forget, you can review and delete specific chats manually right from this page. If you typed something sensitive, just find that conversation and hit delete. Essential Setting 2, Web and App Activity Link. Next, let's talk about the data Gemini uses. Within the Gemini settings, you'll see a section for Web and App Activity. The key link, inside the Web and App Activity settings, look for the option that links your Chrome history and activity from other sites / apps to your Google account. My recommendation, if this is enabled, Gemini is getting a lot more data about you. For better privacy, I keep the switch for include Chrome history and activity from sites, apps, and devices that use Google services off. This limits the scope of data Gemini has access to, ensuring your conversations stay more isolated. Essential Setting 3, Extensions and App Access. Extensions are powerful, but they require trust. For Gemini to pull real-time data or summarize your emails, it needs access to those apps. Review the list, go into Extensions or App Settings within Gemini. You'll see things like Google Workspace, Google Maps, YouTube, etc. Be selective, only keep the extensions on that you actually use and trust with your AI. For instance, if you never asked Gemini to summarize your emails, keep the Workspace extension off. My setup, I only keep the Google Search extension on, as it's essential for fact-checking and real-time information. Everything else is a potential privacy vector, so I keep it disabled until I specifically need it. Pro tip, 2-step verification on your Google account. Visual, quick transition to a shot of you pointing to a graphic about 2-step verification / security checkup. Presenting this isn't technically a Gemini setting, but it's the most fundamental security step, 2-step verification on your main Google account. My take, Gemini is tied to your Google account. If someone compromises your account, they get your Gemini data. Use a hardware key, Google Prompt, or an authenticator app as your second step. Please, do not rely on SMS codes alone. Conclusion and call to action. Visual, final shot of you looking sincere, maybe with a clean, branded end screen. Presenting to recap my best security practices for Gemini, limit your Gemini Apps Activity to 3 months or less, disable the link to your full web and app activity, and be selective with your extensions. These steps ensure you get the benefit of the AI without sacrificing your digital privacy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tips.